Today I'm going to do a slime. This is an easy slime, no borex, no activator. First we want surf excel, aloe vera or any other blend. 1 tablespoon. Put some salt. I have a salt water and mix them well. Put some warm water into the bowl. Mix again. Put some power glue. I have half power glue. Now I put the mix. Mix them well. Mix again. Put the all water into the bowl and mix again. Now you can see this. The slime is ready. Guys, this is our slimes. Now you can take out the water and take your slime. Now you can know our slime is ready. You also try now. Subscribe for more videos.